Hi everyone, it's David. I'm here at Outdoor Home to talk about cast iron cooking. Now if you already own a Big Green Egg, I'm super excited for you because you're already enjoying the ultimate cooking experience. However, adding cast iron cookware to your arsenal is going to take your cooking game to an even higher level. Now why add cast iron cookware to your outdoor cooking arsenal? Well, think of the versatility. You'll be able to sear, braise, bake, saute, and roast. And the Big Green Egg line is designed to provide a lifetime of cooking enjoyment. Everything from blackened fish and seafood to grilled vegetables and restaurant-style seared steaks. Now we already know cast iron is great for searing meats and vegetables. It's also going to allow you to braise, saute, and roast. And because it heats and conducts slowly and evenly, it's going to be good for baking as well. Everything from cornbreads, cobblers, biscuits, even pizza. Think about those breakfast meals on a Sunday morning with your coffee as you've got the Plancha Griddle, a grooved side for bacon, sausage, flip it over, eggs, pancakes. And a cool feature about this little guy, the 10.5 inch, is it fits perfectly on top of that skillet to create a mini Dutch oven. Now for the bigger jobs, you're going to want the 5.5 quart Dutch oven from stews, soups, over the top chili. And it also comes in an enamel coated version where the lid doubles as a serving dish, a saute pan, or a shallow baking dish. Now when you decide to get into cast iron cooking, one of your first and more common purchases might be the cast iron cooking grid. It replaces the standard stainless steel cooking grid that came with your Big Green Egg, and this one has excellent conductivity, provide those restaurant style sear marks when grilling, creating the perfect searing surface. Another benefit of cast iron, it's super easy to care for. Simply hand wash with water and a brush after each use, rub lightly with cooking oil, and you'll be ready to go for next time. So come to Outdoor Home and check out the great selection. We're just off South Campbell on Tracker Road. Outdoor Home, where outdoor living is always in.